Welcome to Talanta X Language, where we learn Swahili through real life. In today's lesson, we'll explore how Swahili families connect, greet, and celebrate each other as we learn the names of family members in Swahili. You'll learn how to talk about your family the Swahili way. Let's begin our story.
Asante sana baba. Shikamoo baba.
Marahaba mwanangu. Hujambo mwanangu? Za siku nyingi?
Nzuri baba, zapa?
Nzuri tu. Poleni sana na safari.
Asante.
Shikamoo baba.
Marahaba mama. Hujambo?
Jambo baba.
Naona mjukuu wangu Fatuma amekuwa.
Shikamoo baba.
Marahaba Fatuma, hujambo?
Jambo baba. Shikamoo bibi.
Marahaba mjukuu wangu, jambo.
Jambo.
Binti yangu, hujambo?
Jambo mama. Shikamoo.
Marahaba.
Later that day, more relatives arrive at the parents' home for a joyful family reunion. The daughter and her husband come with their children to join her brother and parents for this special gathering. Pay attention to how they greet one another and listen carefully to how they say family names in Swahili.
Shikamoo.
Marahaba. Jambo Aisha.
Sijambo kabisa kaka.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Habari yako shemeji yangu?
Nzuri, habari yako?
Salama. Karibu sana.
Asante.
Karibuni sana, sisi tushawatangulia.
Shikamoo mjomba Ahmed.
Marahaba mpwa wangu, jambo?
Sijambo mjomba Ahmed.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Shikamoo mjomba Ahmed.
Marahaba. Salama, jambo?
Sijambo kabisa mjomba.
Salama. Vipi maendeleo yako?
Naendelea vizuri babu. Japo ndoto zangu nitamani kuwa kama mke mwenza.
Samahani kuwakatisha baba Ahmadi.
Usijali, endelea.
Salama. Hivi yule mke mwenza unayemzungumzia ni yupi? Mbona si hatumjui?
Hamjui kama mke wa mjomba Ahmed ni mwanasheria? Aliniambia jana usiku. Mbona mmecheka?
Ahmed,
Naam mama.
unatakiwa wafundishe watoto Kiswahili fasaha.
Sawa mama. Tafanya hivyo.
Sio kosa lako. Mke wa mjomba wako unaweza kumuita hata shangazi.
Asante bibi kwa kunifundisha.
What a beautiful family visit. We've just seen how Swahili families greet and spend time together. Now let's join teacher Gilbert as he helps us learn and practice those family names in Swahili.
Now we are going to the third unit in our Kiswahili lesson. Sasa mada yetu ya tatu itakuwa inahusu familia. Our third unit will be covering about family members. Unaweza kurudia familia. Familia means family. Familia. Kwenye familia kuna watu wengi. Kwenye familia au katika familia kuna watu wengi. For example, in a certain family you may find a lot of people or a lot of members. So now how do we call them? Or how are they related? So now we are going to see how, for example, you call father, mother, cousin, aunt, uncle, and so forth. So now, by starting with parents. Parents. How do we say parents in Kiswahili? Parents, we say wazazi. Wazazi. Rudia. Wazazi. Wazazi means parents. So parents, now as you know that we have two parents. Father and mother. Baba na mama. Wazazi, baba, 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 father. And also we have mama, mother. mama. Rudia, baba. Vizuri. Mama. Vizuri. And also we have brother. Brother, that we say kaka. Rudia, kaka. Kaka. Brother. And also we have sister. Sister, that we call in Kiswahili dada. Rudia, kaka. Dada. Kaka means brother and dada means sister. After that, now we have grandfather and grandmother, that we call grandparents. Bibi. Bibi means grandmother. Rudia, bibi. Repeat, bibi. Asante. And also we have grandfather, that we say babu. Can you repeat? Babu. Asante. And also we have uncle and aunt. Uncle, we say mjomba. 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 Uncle. Mjomba. And also we have aunt. Aunt, we say shangazi. Rudia, shangazi. 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 Shangazi, aunt. Mjomba, uncle. Babu, grandfather. Bibi, grandmother. Dada, sister. Kaka, brother. Wazazi, parents. Baba, father. Mama, mother. After that also we have cousins, that we say binamu. Rudia tena, binamu. 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 Baada ya hapo, after that, we have sister-in-law or brother-in-law. In Kiswahili, we have only one word for sister-in-law and brother-in-law, that we say shemeji. Repeat, shemeji. We can use shemeji in two ways: sister-in-law and also brother-in-law. Hawa ni baadhi tu ya wanafamilia wetu. These are some of the members of the family. For example, now can you repeat after me? I start in Kiswahili. Familia. Vizuri. Wazazi. Baba, mama. Vizuri. Kaka. Safi. Dada. Safi. Bibi. Vizuri. Babu. Vizuri. Mjomba. Vizuri. Shangazi. Vizuri. Binamu. Vizuri. Shemeji. Vizuri. Naam, naomba sasa hivi uniambie, how do we say brother in Kiswahili? Safi. brother. Kaka. So now how do we say aunt in Kiswahili? Safi. Shangazi. Now tell me, how do we say cousin in Kiswahili? Vizuri. Binamu. Now how do we say brother-in-law? Brother-in-law. Yes. Shemeji. Now how do we say sister in Kiswahili? Vizuri. Dada. Now how do we say father-in-law? Father-in-law. Father-in-law. So now here we didn't discuss about father-in-law. So if you want to tell me here we have father-in-law, no, please. But now, can you tell me grandfather? Grandfather. Safi sana. Babu. Babu. Asante. Thank you. Karibu sana.
Thank you for learning with Talanta X language. Lesson 4. Foods in Swahili. Coming soon. Subscribe for more Swahili lessons and stories.